what's up everybody? I know today is NFP, so I'm gonna be going over some of these pairs with y'all real quick. I'm not gonna stay long. I'm just gonna upload this to YouTube for y'all so y'all can see what's happening. And we're gonna just go over pretty much what y'all need to look out for today, okay? So let's start by going to a website. Start by going to it. Give me a second. I'm doing this all live on the fly. Um, what is it called? Hold on, I'm looking it up. Give me a second, guys. Up there with me. I'm going to my FX book for those who don't know, and I'm gonna check the news events, the calendar, the economic calendar, and I'm gonna put that on screen. So just give me a second. Bear with me. It's running a little sluggish because I got a lot of stuff running in the back, but I promise you we gonna get through this, okay? So give me a second with my slow computer. I think it's time to upgrade to a new computer. Okay, so let's pop this on the screen. Boom. Okay, so y'all see this? This is the book. We're gonna look and see what news that's about to happen. Okay, so we're gonna look at today, and let's look at what's about to happen. We got all this news showing. I want to do high impact only. So give me a second. No impact, low impact. This is how you take that off. High impact. Let's apply. Okay, boom. So there we got. We got 11 events, and I do post this in the Discord, by the way. If you're in the Discord, just go to fundamental news, and I always post the news for the week. So just look at the day you're on and see what impacts your pair, and watch it. Okay. So we see that these green checks mean that these events already happened. So you're already happened. That was during London, of course. Of course, I already did my London session trades. I'm in some of them now. You can look to the right on my chart on my MT4 and see that I'm in a couple of trades. So we got CAD news getting ready to happen in an hour, and the NFP, man, the non-farm payroll. You already know the USD is about to go crazy. I told y'all in the Discord, gold is doing some weird setup. So that's the reason I'm making this video. Okay, so we could look and see that CAD and USD news is ready to pop. Okay. So in about an hour and a half during the New York session, it's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. And that's why I'm here with the scanner in front of you. So let's show the scanner. And this is what I use just to keep my eye on my trade. So let's talk about the scanner. For those of y'all that have it, if you don't, it's cool. Just watch the video. Okay, so I got all the pairs that I trade pretty much right here. And you see these two pairs are like this because that means the market is not open yet. So if you ever see a scanner look like this and it's blank, it's because it's not open. Now this scanner is like a Christmas tree scanner. It does flash different colors, and it's doing that just to let you know if you should be buying or selling. And these are just some pairs. So let's go over some of the pairs now, and let's go to GJ because GJ is doing a lot of funny movements right now. So if you click it, it will take you to that pair. So we're looking at GJ on a 30-minute. Now it claims that GJ on a 30-minute is buying, but we see it's in some kind of sell. So it started selling, as you can see. Of course, we caught that sell, and I'm gonna close these trades actually, just because I don't like the sweatiness of that. I'm gonna leave this sell going. I'm gonna leave that one sell going. So I closed one trade, but anyway, GJ is it was selling and now it's buying again. So pretty much, we have to wait and see. If you zoom in, I'm going to show you what you have to look for in this type of trade, because this is a little sweaty. What we have to look for, and can you see how much profit I had and I lost it by being greedy? But anyway, it's cool. What we have to look for right here is to see if this candle closes above this line right here, okay? So if this candle closes above this, it's confirmation that we are in a buy. Now I like to trade the 1 hour, so we can just click the 1 hour and see what it looks like now. And yeah, as you can see, we got the same kind of confluence that it made a low and then it respected the low, and this became a demand zone. So demand traders probably took the buy here on GJ and you won. The new Pyrex Vision system does take this trade. So if you have Pyrex Vision 5, you got this trade triggered. Pyrex Vision 5 will trigger this trade because we added this move to the robot because this would be a demand trade. So we would have taken this buy, and you would have probably been in a hedge trade because you would have had this sell and this buy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna close my 47 pips. You know, I'm just gonna close my trades because I just don't like the way that looks. And that's it. So that's what we doing, okay? Because it's just pulling it back too much. And that low means that it's getting ready to consolidate, or it's going to range, and we don't want either or. So that's GJ right now. Let's look at copper. I like to trade copper, so let's go to the 1 hour because copper is doing some weird stuff. Uh, let's go to the 1 hour on copper. Okay. So like I said, the scanner, you could just click on it and go to your pairs now. Yes. Okay. So I did close that trade. So yeah, copper's doing a lot of choppiness right now. If you want to know what the current trend is of the pair, look at the lower time frame. So on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, it's buying. But if you look at the overall trend, it is kind of selling because the 30 minute, the hour, the 4 hour, and the day, it's selling. Okay. See how it's been selling for a couple days, and now it's starting to buy. So if you go to the lower time frame, that little buy candle that you see on the 30, on the 15 minute, that would be this. Okay. You see that? You see that? But overall, it's still in a buy. And the reason we know it's still in a buy is because the lower time frame is showing you it's buying. Okay, so just use the scanner if you have it. You don't have to really stress like entries and trades if you got the scanner. So let's look at USD because USD is starting to buy again. I mean US 30. Pardon me. What the hell am I talking about USD? Yeah, it's starting to buy again. So I gotta watch this because I'm in this trade currently. So let me go to 1 hour and see what we got. Yeah, so I'm not really liking this. So you see, this is why you gotta watch your trade. I'm in a sell, right? The reason I want to watch this is because it's starting to buy now. You see how it's starting to buy, and it was selling for me, and that's why I was winning, as you can see from the 5 minute, the 15, 30, and the hour. But look, it was buying, and we already said in the members channel that you want to buy US 30. You don't really want to sell it. All your sells will be short-lived, and you have a period where it was selling right here, but then it did this big jump right here. And we you know, the robot did trade all of this. I will show you that the robot traded all of this just to prove it one more time to you. If you're watching this video, just to show you, the robot did take all of that gap trade that you see. The Pyrex vision is dope, guys. I'm sorry I keep promoting it, but I'm proud of my work. I'm proud of what I did with this system. And if you click right here, look, you see these green arrows? All of these were buys. The market was closed, and the robot took all these buys while the market was closed. Shh, don't tell the broker. Shh, don't tell them. But anyway, it took all these buys as the market was closed because it was Sunday, and you know, it was closed between Saturday and Sunday. But the price pushed up because people brought in over the weekend. The banks brought in because the market closes for retail traders, but it doesn't close. You know, things still get traded. So all this volume went in while y'all were not able to trade, but the Pyrex Vision took all these buys, and guess what, guys? We exploded. So I can't really complain. I just wanted y'all to see the proof. Let me zoom in on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 buy arrows, guys. All right. So you see, I'm not making that up. That's why I show you the buy arrow, so you can see that the robot did that. Anytime you see those green or red dots, that's the robot. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Okay, cool, whatever. Okay, cool, whatever. Anyway, so we back. So we back to the scanner. So this is why now you have to be careful because US 30 is starting to buy again. So what I'm gonna do is, the news is probably gonna make this spike up because we hit the low. Once again, Pyrex Vision 5 takes this trade, guys. Okay, so if you get the upgrade, you would have got this buy right here. You would have been in both of these trades, okay? Just to let you know that. But anyway, so this is what you want to look for in the scanner, okay? That's why I made the scanner over and improved it and put it on steroids. Because now we just see it says buy right here. So now, look, what is it doing? It's been buying for quite a while. So I'm actually surprised the 5 and 15 minute did not cross yet. But the reason it didn't cross yet is because overall, if you look at the ribbon is selling. Okay, so we're still in a downtrend. This could be a fake out. but we know that we have to watch the ADR to see. So the ADR is showing us, nah, there's a big move coming, because we still have 1,800 points available. Okay, so that means that there's something getting ready to happen, and we know at 8 there's going to be news. So guys, this is all a setup. Let me tell you why this is a setup. I'm going to show you once again why this is a setup. This is a setup because look at the consolidation in this little area right here, guys. Okay, so you know that this means that they're taking orders and they're getting ready to make a move. So they're going to use that news as the volatility to make the move that they're going to make. Okay, so just watch it, because anytime price stays in a range like this, and I'm on a 1 hour for this many hours, then you look at the scanner, and the scanner has been selling, but it really hasn't been moving. That means they're fulfilling orders, meaning the market is taking orders right now, and when they're ready to move the price, they're gonna move it. Now, once again, I told y'all in my last video, they see this level right here. People see this level, and they brought off this level. Why are they probably gonna get in trouble? Because the ribbon is telling you to sell, guys. So everyone's buying right here, and the scanner is kind of letting you know, not yet. It's not yet a buy, 100%. So they're probably going to sell right here. Now, I'm hoping they don't, because US 30 doesn't have the nature to sell, but the news may be used to manipulate this, because what it should do is go up. It should go up, guys. It should. But everybody knows that, and usually when everybody can see that trade, they'll liquidate people by making it go down. Okay, so that's why it's good to have a robot, because if it goes down or up, guess what? The robot's going to get you in the trade. You just got to know, because we're in the middle of this ribbon. So right now, this is kind of a safe space to take a trade and see what happens. Now, if you think it's going to go down, let the robot sell it. If you think it's going to go up, let the robot buy it, and just monitor your trade. Because today's a day, if you're on a 1 hour, every hour check your candles and see what direction you're in. Because the spikes in the news can, hit your TP or your stop loss really quick, and you may want to react and adjust. So just be careful. But yeah, everybody sees this as a buy right now, but the ribbon is telling me sell. And once again, the market likes to kind of trick people on days like today, because you'll be in profit in this buy, and guess what'll happen? It'll sell, because it's one of those days. NFP is one of those days that they go after the money. So they move the money in a funny direction, and they usually do it to liquidate you. So people could think what they want about that or whatever, but I'm telling you what's going on today. So let's go to NAS 100, and then we'll go to gold and I'll end the video. So NAS is doing the same exact thing, guys. This is all a setup. Whenever you see these cross markers in the same range, that's a consolidation pattern. This pattern means that they're fulfilling orders, meaning that they're taking buys or sells, and they're not ready to let them out. Okay? So I'll put it on intraday, because that's kind of what I want. You see how all these sells came and nothing really happened? So you would have been getting a little tapped here. You would have been getting these sells. Granted, none of them would have hit your stop loss, but you wouldn't have been getting any volatility, any volume. This means that they're fulfilling orders, and there's a breakout getting ready to happen. Once again, everybody brought right here. Everybody brought right here at this low. You see? Now, what usually will occur, because everybody brought right here, and the reason you've seen that pop up is because we're in a live market. Okay, so don't worry about that thing that just popped up on the right. This is the trade management system that's a part of the Pyrex vision. It popped up because we were on a live chart. But anyway, if it wasn't live, this wouldn't have popped up. But anyway, so yeah, everybody bought here, and you would be winning, and you would be right. Now, if you're greedy, you're probably getting ready to get set up with a sell. Okay, but I'm pretty sure people ate off this right here, because once again, NFP is getting ready to pop at 8. So right now you're kind of safe, because they're taking orders, they're playing games right here. Be careful, okay, because that's a setup. That's 100% a setup. Now let's go to gold, and let's just look at gold, and then we could get out of here. Okay, so gold, as you can see, I took some of this buy setup, and yeah, gold is buying, but you see what the problem is with gold. If you zoom in once again, what's the problem with this buy? The buy is at a area where it's expected to go up further, but we're at a high of the day. See? So we got to be careful with this trade as well. This is a trade we have to watch, okay? Now, the ADR is telling me there is at least another 80 pips left in this move. But will it go up or will it go down? Based off the news, we have to wait. So at 8 o'clock, I got to come back and check this, okay? But I am in the buy on gold currently. And I'm telling you now, this is a counter trend buy because gold is in a downtrend currently, okay? So we can look at the scanner and just get a confirmation of what it's doing. So once again, the scanner says it's chopping. The overall consensus is that it's going back and forth, okay? So you look to the lower time frame, we're buying. Now what does that mean? That means that it's starting to buy. Now we have to wait for the 15 minute. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. We have to wait for the 15 minute to confirm that it wants to go up, okay? We just gotta wait and see. And of course I clicked on the wrong thing for the 15 minute. Okay, we just gotta wait. You see? Because you see where we ended kind of late here on this trade. Now the difference is if you're gonna use the robot, if you go to the lower time frame, you would have ended this trade a lot sooner. But look at all these bad sells. These sells were all kind of like dead because we're at the end of this trend. So what this is confirming to me is that gold is now buying, and it would not surprise me that you see the demand zone right here. Once again, Pyrex Vision 5 would have took this trade. Just to warn y'all, this was the demand zone where at 1900 everybody who was selling starts buying gold. Okay, so gold, the 1900 area is the psychological level. What does that mean? This is an area where people react. They wait for it to hit this price and then they buy or sell. That's what the psychological level is. So 1900 is the new psychological level for gold at the moment. So whenever gold hits 1900 or 2000, okay, those are the two numbers you got to look out for on gold. 1900 and 2000. So 1900, I knew this was going to start buying. I already said this in the Discord. I told everybody it was setting up for a move, and the move is an uptrend now. However, the news may affect this, okay? So at 8 o'clock, we got to come back and see what happens. But for those of y'all watching this video is posted now. Yeah, I'm just uploading this to y'all for y'all to see what's going on because I got to go make some runs, and I didn't want to leave y'all high and dry. I will be monitoring the Discord, of course, so anybody who want to talk to me, post in the Discord, and we'll go over the trades. But this is the scanner, and this is how I monitor all my trades from one spot. So with the new scanner, you just get to click on your pair right here and just monitor it. I don't have to open a bunch of charts anymore, and that's one of the reasons I created this, okay? This took me about 8 months to develop this upgrade, and I don't think I need to upgrade this any further now. And that's it. So like I said, it won't be any upgrades for a while for me because I need to take a break from developing upgrades and just enjoy what we have, because if it's not broke, why fix it? Okay? Anyway, it's your boy. I'm out of here, and good luck to everybody today who's trading NFP. I will be managing my trades today, but I will not be looking to get any new ones just because I don't feel like giving any profit back. And I could just look at the candle patterns and tell you now, they are setting up to trap traders right now. So just be careful, because as long as you could see the trap, you could just trade with them and not against them. Because when you're trading against them, that's when you're going to lose. And that's what you just don't want to do. So right now, if your trades are going good, expect them to reverse on you. And just react. That's all you got to do. React to it. If you got the automation like me, you got the software like me, you're fine. Just follow the software, follow the ribbon. The ribbon on gold is going up. Like I said, at the 1900 psychological level, why not do what it's telling you to do? Buy it. Okay? So I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. So let's see what happens at 8:30, because you're going to get reversals. And because it's Friday, you're going to get reversals. So just be careful. All right? Peace. All right, so I'm hopping back in here to show you that the gold trade that I did do this morning, it went through. The reason the video is late is because the first audio I had to re-edit and I had to go out. So I had to come back and redo it. But when you see the goal analysis that I'm giving a few minutes ago through the editing, you see that it did play out. So that's why I tell y'all, use the Pyrex scanner, use these systems, they do work. And there's nothing else left I could say. The gold trade played out, I'm in it. I'm gonna, show y'all. I put the robot on a 15-minute and boom, look, we took off. So I'm probably going to start trading gold on a 15-minute because it worked out so well off the 15-minute. See how I entered the sniper entry for the MA cross? Now, we didn't take that trade. We took this trade, okay? So it just worked out well, guys, as you can see. So like I said, guys, Pyrex Vision, man, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm really proud of the system. It may seem like I'm promoting it, but when you do something and you create something like this, you want people to see it. You want it out there. So the gold trade played out, man. It panned out well. Let's see what happened with NAS. Like I said, US 30 was going into a sell, so we knew to close that, right? So did we close it? Then we close it. You know we hard headed. You know we hard headed. You know we hard headed. So now we see. All I gotta do for you to see the trade, go to the 1 hour, so you can see my trade more clearly. As you can see, we did sell, and when you look at the lower time frame, our analysis on this was correct as well. And you know, we're winning. So let's just, you know, break even this trade since it's Friday. Oh yeah, no, pardon me. What am I doing? I'm tripping. I'm already way in profit. I'm tripping, guys. That's how you know I'm tired. I just came in. So, and then let's just look at NAS. We didn't touch NAS, not now. So, yeah. But as you can see on the 1 minute, NAS is buying. For you scalpers, y'all could have ate. Look at the robot. Y'all got 3 signals off the robot on the 1 minute. For you scalpers, you know what I mean? See what I'm saying? So let's show you. Let's just show you what the scalp mode looks like. Look at all those signals you got. Look at how many trades you could have won. Even this one. Boom. Boom. All these 1 minute trades. Look at this big one right here. Look at this one. If you would have caught this, look how many pips you would have caught on the 1 minute. It would have ended you here, because this would have cross happened. No, let's just say it would have ended you here. It would have pulled you back. That's 5 pips. And then on the 1 minute, you would have been able to get 434 pips on NAS on the 1 minute off the robot on Scout Mode 1. Let's see what Scout Mode 2 would have gave you. Alright, the trade is more clean on Scout Mode 1. Same situation. You would have entered here. This is where you would have entered. Yeah, you would have ended here. This is where it would have ended you for this trade. On Scout Mode 2, you would have got 450 pips. So you'd have got more pips on Scout Mode 2. On intraday, on the 1 minute, you still would have been able to scalp. And you would have gotten a little further behind. So you would have got some pullback on the 1 minute. This is where you would have entered on intraday. And you would have been at 200 pips. So you see how the intraday is a little different. But it's going to look different as you change the time. So we're on NAS 1 minute. Let's go to the 1 hour. And the trade is going to look completely cleaner right now. See? See? In the 1 hour, you didn't even get the trade set up yet. But that's cool because we intraday traders. If you're an intraday trader and you want a quality trade you can hold, on intraday swing trade, you got to wait. See? Even on the swing trade, it gave you some buys. Now, why are these buys looking sweaty? You know why they're looking sweaty, because we're all, look at all this that happened. Look at the last buy signal you got off the robot. The bank wealth setting for Pyrex Vision, look. You would have entered here, right? And let's just show you the period separator so you see how many days you would have been in the trade. This would have been your entry. And you would have been in this trade winning all of this. So you would have been at 5,000 pips, okay? Yeah, that's 5,000 pips, guys. And look, there's still more to go. See? So now we started pulling back, and it got thinner. So that was your sign to get out. Whenever you see the cloud getting like this, it's your sign to get out. If you stay, you're being greedy. I stay sometimes just because I know that I'm still going up. But it's not recommended to do that. And then it started to bounce back once the new week opened. The market opened. It started to pull. This is that trade that I told you my robot caught, right? On US 30. We caught 5 positions on this while the market was closed. I'll show it to you again on US 30. Look. This is the same trade on US 30. Because these pairs correlate so well. You would be surprised at how well they correlate. Once it, right here, this is where we caught it. Okay? And I'll show you on the chart one more time to remind y'all. The robot did catch this trade while the market was closed. That's another reason I love my robot. Boom, just to show you the living proof. Right here. You see that markers from the robot? You see the line, how this line is showing you the robot rode US 30.
New low on dollar loony.
New low on dollar loony, guys. So dollar loony is selling. That was a signal from the robot. But yeah, so this is just showing you guys exactly what it is, man. I don't know what else to tell y'all. This is how my analysis be so on point. It's because I just follow the system. I understand it, and I taught a lot of y'all in the Discord how to do it, and now y'all starting to see the power of it as well. I've been posting the testimonials from y'all. Thank you to everybody that posts their results so that I can show other people this works. Okay, so that's all I could do is just work hard and show y'all. So boom. So y'all see we caught this whole gap. And you know, this is such a bad trade that they ban you for this on certain prop firms, and certain brokers will not give you your payout for this too, depending on who you are with. I haven't seen a broker that does it, but I have seen the prop firms that do it, okay? So that's it. I'm in the trade. I'm in this video here, man, and hope you enjoy your weekend. I hope you guys were appreciative of the scanner. Now listen, I'm gonna start bringing these videos back next week. where I just open the scanner and we go over the pairs and we do the analysis like this. It is recommended that you get the system. If you want the scanner, you have to currently you do have to get the Pyrex Vision system. So if you're not somebody who can afford that but you want to trade, just come to the video and watch it. And if you guys want me to do like live streams where I show these trades occurring, and I just leave it up for you to check in, because I tried this before, but now I got get a little bit more subscribers. I will let the scanner run live so you guys can peek your head in and check, leave a comment, like, of course, if you want me to do that. And I'll let the scanner run live and we can see these trades in live real time. And you'll know whether you should be in certain directions on your trade or get out or whatever. I'm just trying to help and be of value to you guys, because my software's here for everybody, but I guess some of you can't afford it. So if you can't afford it, then that's the only other alternative. I did have the signals, but when I trade for other people, I don't perform well, so that's why I don't like doing signals. I'm just gonna be honest, it messes with my psychology. I definitely don't want to be losing people money and stuff. So when I trade for myself like this and I show y'all the trades I'm in, and then when I call out the trades, that tends to work better. So that's probably what I could do for you guys going forward. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all weekend, and I hope y'all had a good NFP week. It definitely was good for me today. It wasn't bad at all. And the funny thing is, I traded on a Friday during NFP while I was away. So I let my robot completely trade for me, and y'all see the results, you know? So can't say I made that up, right? Y'all see the results. And if y'all don't know the results, I will show y'all real quick, and then I'll leave. Hello. Hey, what's up? Hold on one second. I'm on a video. I'm on a video. Hold on. They don't need to hear your voice. You ain't nobody. So there go my results, guys. So let me take this call from this knucklehead in the background, and that'll be it. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend. Peace.